Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do cleaning and deep cleaning cycles on a Canon Pixma MG7751. Now this is nice and simple, we're done from the printer itself using the touchscreen found on the top of the printer. Now if you're not already on the home screen, the button over here will be lit, it's a house icon, click that and you'll be taken to this page. So to get ourselves started we need to swipe the screen to the right and then press on the screwdriver and pliers to go into setup. Once we're in setup, we need to go into maintenance. And from maintenance, we have the option for cleaning and deep cleaning. Now how cleans work with this particular printer is the machine flushes the printhead that kind of regulates the flow of ink with ink from the cartridges to dislodge anything that might have dried or congealed along the tiny little slits that are used to spray ink onto the paper. So if you're experiencing quite a severe print quality issue, or you've really done some normal cleans and they haven't helped, you can go for deep cleaning. But if this is your first run and you're just trying to see what exactly the issue is, I'd go for just standard cleaning because it uses less ink and it's a little bit quicker too. So I'm going to click onto that one. Click yes to confirm. Now this will take your printer just a couple minutes. And when it's done, you'll be taken to this page, which is asking if you want to print a nozzle check pattern, which is like a test page that breaks down all of the colours used by your printer so you can see where the issue lies. I'd recommend printing one of these pages, and if any print quality issues remain, you can kind of go in circles from here, doing nozzle checks and cleaning cycles until the colours hopefully get pulled through and you can carry on printing. But that's all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in those comments. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.